Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss time and distance part 4. So previously we discussed about basics of the time and distance. What is the speed? What is the time? What is the relation between time, speed, and distance? And basic problems. Um, basic problems. After that, we find that difference time. So usual time and usual speed we find out, right? So now we're continuing that one and remaining lessons, remaining important questions we'll discuss now today. So here the question it is, a man traveling at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. He reaches 18 minutes late. If he travels at the speed of 25 kilometers, he reaches 12 minutes late. And asking to find the distance here. See, just previous question, the same thing, they're asking to find the usual speed. And here, the same type of problem, they given two different speeds they given, and a time they given, and asking to find distance, not the exact speed. See, so the same as usual, what I said, in time and distance, speed equal to, sorry, speed is inversely proportional to time. So this is very important point, right? So based on this, what they given, speed 1 and speed 2, ratios of speed 1 and speed 2, just take it. So 20 ratio of 25, right? So ratio is 4 5, 4 is to 5. So we know that, so speed is inversely proportional to time. So time 1 and time 2 is nothing but inverse 5 is to 4. That means if he travel 20 kilometer speed, he will take 5 parts of time. If he travel 25 kilometer speed, he will take 4 parts of time. But the both times is late only. So first, if he travel 20 kilometer speed, he is late by 18 minutes. So 18 minutes is late. Okay. And if it increase the speed, if he increase the speed of 25, then also late by 12 minutes, right? So total, what's the time difference here? 18 minutes late and 12 minutes late, both late only. So we have to subtract this. So that is what? 6 minutes. So 6 minutes is the time difference. Okay. So what's the how many parts is difference here? One part. One part difference is nothing but 6 minutes. Right? So 6 minutes here. And one part is 6 minutes. 5 part will be 30 minutes. Right? And 4 parts will be 4 into 6, 24 minutes. Right? So that means if he travel with 20 kilometer speed, he'll reach 30 minutes late. Okay, if he travel 25 kilometer speed, he will reach 24 minutes late. So difference is 6 minutes, right? Exactly. Clear? No. What's the time here? One part is now. What's the distance? They're asking to distance, right? So we know the time. What's the 30 minutes? And we know the speed. He will reach in 30 minutes. If he travel 20 kilometer speed, he will reach in 30 minutes to the office. If he travel 25 kilometer speed, he will reach 24 minutes to the office, right? But actually, they didn't ask actual time. So actual time means, so 30 minutes he's reaching, but he need to reach 18 minutes before, right? 18 minutes before. That means 30 minus 18, it is nothing but 12. Right? Actually, he need to reach 12 minutes, but he's reaching late. by 18 minutes. Okay, that's they didn't ask that thing. Okay, now we got 30 minutes and 24 minutes time, right? So I'm clearing this. Now speed 1, 20 kilometer speed, and the time 1 is nothing but 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And speed 2 is nothing but 25 kilometer per hour, and time 2 equal to 24 kilometers, 24 minutes. Now we know the distance formula. What's the distance formula? Distance equal to speed into time. We know the time and we know the speed. Then just take the distance. Any one. These things are these things, right? So D equal to 20 into 30. But you need to observe here, it's a 30 minutes. You need to convert in hours. So divided by 60. So 21s, 23s, 3 1s, 3 10s. So distance equal to 10 kilometer, 10 kilometers, right? So if you are taking this one also, we'll get same. What is that? 25 into 24 by 60. By 60, 24 minutes and 60, right? Now 6, you can calculate 6, right? 6, 25 and 3, 20. Okay, 6 tens, 6 fours, 5 twos, 5 fives. So 2 ones, 2 twos. 5 into 2, 10. So both are getting same kilometers, right? So this is by using the ratios, and a very important point, speed equal to inversely proportional to time. Okay. For these type of question, just note it down, everyone. Done? Okay. Now, for these type of question, I have one shortcut. That is a one formula. So people will like actually formulas. Okay, I'll give the formula also. What is that formula? If they ask distance directly, no need to find time. So distance equal to formula, note it down. Distance equal to difference in time multiplied product of speeds speed divided by difference in speed. Okay, so difference of time into product of speed by difference of speed. What is that? Now check. What's the difference of speed? 18 minutes late and 12 minutes late. What's the total distance or difference? 6 minutes. Okay, into product of speeds. What is the product of 20 into 25 divided by, what's the difference of speed? 20, 25. Don't take negative values. They are asking the difference. 25, 20. 5 kilometer per hour is difference. But you need to remember, so 6 by 60. Why? 6 is in minutes. And these are kilometer per hour. These are kilometer per hour. And it is also kilometer per hour, right? So now just calculate this one. What will happen here? So 6, it is 60 into 5, right? So 6 into 20 into 25 by 5 into 60, right? So 5 ones, 5 fives, 6 ones, 6 10, 1 twos. So directly 2 into 5, 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. If you are using this formula, you can find easily. Okay. So both the ways, that is a concept. This is a formula shortcut. Okay. But you have to learn concept and then formula also. Remember this formula. Distance. If they ask the distance, then directly time into product of speeds by difference of speeds. Okay, done. So this is what? This is what that question, right? Now we'll explain. Come to the next question. What is it? A man travels. A man travels at speed 30 kilometers. He late by 10 minutes. If he traveled 40 kilometers per hour, he reach by 5 minutes early. Find the speed to reach on time. Find the speed. They're asking to speed to reach on time, right? So on time. So if you need to find the time means first we need to require distance, right? So distance is there, then we can find out the on time, right? So in generally, what's way it is? So first speed 1, ratios of speed 2 equal to 30 in 30 ratios 40. It's nothing but 3:4. Okay, fastly we will calculate T1 and T2. What's that? 4:3, right? So 4:3. One part is a difference. One part is difference. But what they given in the difference in time. So here he late by 10 minutes, and early by 5 minutes. So early by 5 minutes. Then what is the problem here? What's the difference here? So don't subtract here. Why? If suppose he need to reach actual time is 30 minutes. Think 30 minutes. Actually time is in 30 minutes. He late by 10 minutes. That means he'll reach 40 minutes. He early by 5 minutes. That means he reach 25 minutes only. So what's the difference here? 25 to 40. What's the difference? 15, right? So you have to add these two, not subtracted. You have to add. One is late, one is early, means you have to add the both times. Okay. One part is nothing but 15, right? So 4 parts is nothing but 60 minutes. 3 parts is nothing but 45 minutes. 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour, right? So now take it. Now calculate the distance. Now we know the time and we know the speed also. Now calculate the distance. So distance equal to that speed into time. So 30 into 1 hour. 1 hour or 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. So distance nothing but 30 kilometers, right? So now we know the 30 kilometers. Now we know the distance is 30 kilometers. But how he want to reach actually? So if he travel 30 kilometer speed, he's reaching how many minutes? 1 hour. In 1 hour or 60 minutes, take 60 minutes. But actually he late by 10 minutes. That means he need to reach in 50 minutes only. Actually he need to reach in 50 minutes, but is late by 10 minutes. That's the reason he is reaching 60. But now actual time is 50. Right? So speed equal to distance by time, right? So what's the time? 50 minutes. That convert into 60, right? So numerator is denominator. That it's nothing but 30 into 60 by 50. 0 again cancel. 5 1s 5 6. So 6 into 36. So 36 kilometer per hour. If he travel, then he'll reach the office exactly on time. Exactly on time means in 50 minutes. When he started his home, so 50 minutes he need to reach the office. Okay, exact time. So what is the speed? 36 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now, if you solve this in the same by using the same formula, then directly you can get the distance first, right? So that is, what's the difference between time? What is that? 15 by 60 into 30 into 40, product of speeds, by what's the difference? 10. So it's nothing but 51s, 54s, 4 1s, 4 10s. So 10 get cancelled, 30. So if you know the 30, then you can same thing. So as usual, we have to same thing. So distance we know, but here you need to time also. Distance equal to 30, right? So time you have to find out. How? So you know that this one and distance. So time equal to 30 by 30. It's nothing but 1 hour. 1 hour is for late 10 minutes. So 50 minutes you have to find out. Same thing you have if you're using this one also. But use this formula when they ask to find the distance only, first of all. Okay, that is more easy, right? Is it clear? Now, now the second question. I mean this. Ramesh started from A to B at a 36 kilometer per hour speed. After 1 hour, Suresh started from A to B, same place, okay, at 42 kilometer per hour. After how many hours Suresh reaches Ramesh? They're asking to find us. So overtaking or reaching. Very interesting actually. So we people generally we people doing right. So we are overtaking another at the speed. We are reaching the fast. So generally we are overtaking in our general life. Okay, same thing they are asking here. So what they are asking, first of all, in distance, a route between A and B. Okay, A and B. Here is A and here is a B. Okay, done. The thing, first thing. Okay, and Ramesh started from A here. He started from here. Ramesh, and with a speed of 36 kilometer per hour. And next, Suresh. Suresh also started from here only, same place, but 42 kilometer per hour, right? 42 kilometer per hour. Now, so speeds they given. We know that speed and time inversely proportional, right? Right. Now, so S1, S2 equal to 36 is to 42. So it is nothing but 6 is to 7. And time T1, T2 equal to 6 is to, sorry, 7 is to 7 is to 6, right? What's the difference here? One part. Same thing, ma. Speed inversely proportional to time. Based on this one only, we are doing all these things. Okay. One part. What they given one part? After 1 hour, Suresh started from the A to B, right? So after 1 hour, that means one part equal to 1 hour. Now, so he will reach in 6 parts, right? He will take to, yes, who says Ramesh taking 7 hours. Ramesh taking 7 hours. Okay. And Suresh is taking only 6 hours to reach Ramesh. Means 6 parts, 7 parts. So one part is 1 hour, 6 parts is nothing but 6 into 1. 6 into 1. Okay, 6 hours. 6 hours. But this is one type of solvation. But I'll teach you in another method just based on the concept. If you understand the concept of what they're asking to us, so just think the route started from A to B, right? What they given? This is A and this is B. And here Ramesh started first with speed of 36 kilometer per hour. Okay. And after 1 hour, in the same place, Suresh also started with 42 kilometer per hour. So what's the difference? Time difference? 1 hour. So in this 1 hour, Ramesh traveled, right? Ramesh traveled with 36 kilometer per hour. What does it means? 36 kilometer per hour. What does it mean? Per hour. That means in 1 hour, he will reach 36 kilometers. That means when Suresh started here, so already Ramesh is here. What's the distance here? 36. This is 36. Now Ramesh is here, Suresh is here. He need to reach this distance. Then he'll overtake the Ramesh. That's it, right? If he overtakes this distance by his speed, by his additional speed, then he will reach the distance, Ramesh, right? Think. Now Ramesh is here, he's going like this. He's not stopping anywhere, he's going like this. And even Suresh also going like this, right? But what's the thing? Difference of speed. Difference of speed. What is the difference of speed? Who is faster here? Suresh is faster. How many kilometers is faster? 36 is Ramesh and 42 is Suresh. Then Suresh is fast by 6 kilometers. So in next hour, what will happen? In next hour, after 1 hour, he will reach another 36 kilometers, right? 36 kilometers. He will reach 40 kilometers, right? 40 kilometers. Sorry, 42. 42 kilometers. And next 1 hour, he will reach another 36. He will reach, so see here. So first 36 and next 36, 72. Next 36, 108. 108. 3 hours. But here 2 hours. He started after 1 hour, right? That means in 2 hours. He'll reach 84 kilometers, right? So he's using that 6 kilometer speed, he's reducing that 36 kilometers, right? So simply I can say, so this 36 kilometers, 1 hour, Ramesh traveled 36 kilometers divided by, what's the speed difference here in the both? 6 kilometers. So kilometer per, so 36 kilometers in 1 hour, right? So 1 hour he reached 36 kilometers. And what's the speed here? 6 kilometer per hour. So just cancel. Kilometer get cancelled. 6166. 6 hours directly. So no need take the ratios, nothing. Just common sense. Use the common sense. What is that common sense? He already reaches 36 kilometers. He already reaches, who's that? Ramesh already reaches 36 kilometers. But so we need to cover this 36 kilometer by using the additional speed. What is the additional speed? 6 kilometer per hour. Just divided by that. We'll get the exactly time. In 6 hours, 6 kilometers, 6 kilometers, he will cover 36 kilometers. That's it, right? That's the thing. Do you understand? So what's the difference? 36 kilometers. 36 kilometers in 1 hour by additional speed 6 kilometer per hour. This was the answer. This was the thing. So no need to take ratios, nothing. Just you have to calculate this. What's the difference? What's the time? That's it. Now kilometer get cancelled. 6 by 6, 6s. So 6 hours. Directly will get. In 6 hours, Suresh reaches Ramesh. Clear? Now we'll do the same type of mode. A thief runs at 6 meters per second. Police started after 5 minutes. This is what important. Okay, after 5 minutes with dog, a speed 9 meters per second and 12 meters per second. What's it? Police speed is 9 meters per second and dog speed is 12 meters per second. Thief speed is 6 meters per second. Find the total distance traveled by the dog. They're asking to find the distance traveled by the dog. Okay, distance by dog. So not when he reaches police, not about police, it is distance by dog, right? Now, so don't think about that ratios, everything. So first analysis. So thief speed is 6 meters per second and police speed is 9 meters per second. Dog speed is 12 meters per second. So who is faster? Dog, then police, then thief, right? So leave about sometime, you just leave about this distance. First find out when police reaches the thief and when dog reaches the thief. First, when police reaches the thief, he started after 5 minutes. What I said, take the distance, in between the difference of time. 5 minutes he traveled. 5 minutes thief traveled. That means in 1 second, 6 meters, 6 meters. So 5 minutes, in how many seconds is there? 5 minutes into 60. So how many seconds he traveled? 300 seconds he traveled, right? So 300 seconds, who traveled? Thief traveled before police started. 300 seconds. That means 300 seconds means how much distance? 300 seconds into 6. So it is nothing but 1800 meters. 1800 meters he already traveled. That means, see, thief started here and reaches here. Then police started here. Now thief is here. What is the difference here? The distance is nothing but 1800 meters. He is far away. The thief is far away from police. Now, police need to cover this distance by using his additional speed. What is the additional speed? 3 meter per second. 6 meter thief, and 9 meters police. What's the difference? 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second. Now, just cancel this. Meter get cancelled. 3 ones, 3, 600. So 600 seconds. After 600 seconds, that means after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, when police started, right? So after started police, so after 10 minutes, police started. From that minute, so after 10 minutes, he will reach the thief. Right? So police travel. I'm going to clear this. I'll write everything, okay? So thief traveled 300 seconds before, and police will reach the thief in 600 seconds. 600 seconds is nothing but 10 minutes. Okay, in 10 minutes, after started the police, in 10 minutes, he will reach the thief. So what they're asking to find is the total distance traveled by the dog. So mean what they're asking. So this is the point. Okay, police and thief. So dog speed is more, right? So he traveled, thief traveled 1800 meters. And what's the dog speed? Difference of the speed? 6 meter per second. 6 meter per second. Meter get cancelled. 6. It is nothing but 30. So in 5 minutes only, dog will 5 seconds. Sorry, 300 seconds is nothing but 5 minutes. In 5 minutes only, dog will reach the thief. That means police and dog started at the same time. But dog reaches thief in 5 minutes. But police cannot reach that 5 minutes. And dog, what will do the dog? He reaches the thief, and again the dog come to police. And again dog will reach thief and come to police. Will reach thief, come to police and catch the thief. So like this, it is traveling. It is traveling non-stoply to police to thief, police to thief. How many seconds? When police reach the thief, he catches the thief. Police catches the thief, then dog will stop. So this, in between, the dog will run, right? The dog will run to thief, police, That distance they are asking, that distance. So how many seconds dog will run? How many seconds dog will run? They started, both police and dog started at the same time. After 600 seconds, police reach the thief, right? That means in that 600 seconds, this 600 seconds, dog will running. That dog will run. So 600 seconds with speed of 12 meter per second. So dog will run. So 72 meter. 720, sorry. 7200 meter per second. Time into speed, right? Sorry, this is seconds, right? So meters, it's just meters. So dog travel 7,200 meters. Is it clear? So dog runs in between thief and police, like this. There's a reason. So dog will travel 600 seconds. 600 seconds means 7200 meters. So 7.2 kilometers. 7.2 kilometers. Right? 7.2 kilometers. Dog travel the distance totally. Totally he travel the distance 7.2 kilometers. Do you understand? Just whenever if you find that reaching or overtaking problems, then find out the difference between the distance when the second person started at that time, where is the first person. That means we'll get the difference of the time, distance. That distance we have to cover. That's it. The distance we have to cover, right? Then okay, hope you understand, everyone. So we'll move to the next question. Now here, I'll change this actually. Just wait. Okay, respectively. No, now read the question first. What they're asking, we will find out. Mahesh and Pawan, two members is there. Mahesh and Pawan travel from A to B. They're traveling from A to B. Okay, and at 30 kilometer speed and 42 kilometer speed. So Mahesh is speed is 30 kilometers, Pawan speed is 42 kilometers respectively. Distance of A to B is 72 kilometers. Pawan reaches B first, yeah, of course, and returns immediately and meets Mahesh at C. Find the distance between B to C. They're asking to find the distance between B to C. So generally, how we are going to find out this? So I already said the if they ask when they will meet and when they overtake, means you have to find the first distance, speed. Okay, but here is a different thing. What's happened? First of all, I'll explain clearly. So first, this is the A to B thing. This is the A to B. Now, Mahesh and Pawan started at the same time. That is what important here. The same time. Okay, Mahesh started and Pawan also started. Towards B. This is A, this is B, right? Towards B. Mahesh, like this, he's going on here. And Pawan also, he will go like this, right? Who is faster here? Pawan is faster, right? Is Pawan and um, is Mahesh. Okay, Mahesh. Okay, done. Now his speed is 30 kilometer per hour. His speed is 42 kilometers per hour. This is B and this is A. Who will reach B first? Who will reach B first? Obviously Pawan, right? Because he is moving fast. He is moving fast. So he will reach B. But Mahesh in on the way only to reach B. Same direction, right? On the way to B, he will comes like this. After reaching the point B, Pawan, he started return. That means like this. So Pawan is moving like this, and now, sorry, Mahesh is moving like this, and Pawan is moving like this. So some point, the both members will meet, but Mahesh is in this direction and Pawan is in this direction. And that means Pawan already reaches B and he is returning, but Mahesh still is not reached to B. He is just yet to reach to B. That point, they're asking, that point is C. So they're asking the distance of this. So what's the distance from B they're asking, right? So for this, I have a one simple trick and a formula. So first, note it down that formula. This is nothing but first the AC distance between AC formula, that is. But in this question, they're asking to BC, right? We know the total distance this to this they given in the question, right? So total distance, if you are finding out the AC, then subtract that total distance minus AC, then we'll get BC, right? So I'm going to say the formula for AC, right? So AC formula is nothing but 2 into AB. AB is nothing but distance, okay? AB, 2 points they given, right? Distance 2 into AB into A by A plus B. A by A plus B. What is this small a, small b? So this AB is nothing but they given the distance, part 72. But what about this A? What about this AB? So this is nothing but ratios of speeds. A is to B. Ratio speed 1, speed 2. Ratios of speed. Okay, A is to B. Or you can take speed 1 by speed 1, speed 2 ratios directly. Okay, what is the formula? What is the formula? This two. So 2 into AB, 2 into AB into A by A plus B, right? Now, first take the ratio of the speeds. What is the speed? 30 is to 42, right? So 6 5s, 6 7s. So 5 is to 7 is a ratio. Now, what is it? 2 into AB. What is the AB? They given here 72 kilometers into A. What is A? 5 and 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. It's nothing but 2 into 72 into 5 by 12. So 12 ones, 12, 6, right? 12, 6. So 6 into 5, 30, 30 into 2. It's nothing but 60 kilometers. So AC equal to 60 kilometers. What we got? AC equal to 60 kilometers. We find that AC equal to 60 kilometers. Keep this. I'm going to clear this. Just note down this formula first of all. Very important formula. Note down. Is it done? No, I'm going to clear this first of all. Now, what do we find? AC. AC equal to 60 kilometers. Right? Now, what they're asking first of all. So Ramesh, Mahesh, and Pawan started from A to B. A to B. The distance is nothing but 72. Right? And Mahesh is like this, and Pavan here. So this point they met, they point. What's the point? C. So we find AC. This distance we find it, right? This is nothing but 60 kilometers. So remaining total 72. This is 60. So what about this? 72 minus 60 is nothing but 12 kilometers. So what they're asking to find is distance between B to C. B to C. B to C is nothing but 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers is the distance. If they ask AC, that is 60. If they ask AC, that is 60. If they ask BC, it is 12. So understand, one more time, I'll give the formula. Just note it down. So AC equal to 2 into AB into A small a by A plus B, where A small a is small a and B is ratios of the speed, ratio of speeds, right? So this is what the thing. Okay. After that we discuss important points. Next we'll discuss the concept of average speed. Okay, next class we're going to discuss average speed. So that is also very important. Okay, clear? So up to this, just practice these questions. It's very important. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.